Today we have a lot of animals. Let's learn their names point by point. We have some farm animals and some wild animals. The first point is a zebra. This is a zebra. A zebra is a wild animal. The next animal is a horse. A horse is a farm animal. The next point is a cow. This is a cow. A cow is a farm animal. The next animal is a rabbit. This is a rabbit. A rabbit is a farm animal. The next animal is a duck. This is a duck. The next animal is a sheep. This is a sheep. The next animal is a leopard. This is